morning, everyone. Coming to you from another foggy day in San Francisco. Pretty typical for this time of year, as I think I mentioned in my last video. So, what is it that I'm up to today? You may well be asking. Well, I am heading, right this second, I'm sort of heading due east. Sorry, turned around. West. I'm heading towards the Golden Gate Park area of San Francisco, but then I'm going to be heading south out of the city. And I'll tell you more about where I'm going as I go along. 7 o'clock in the morning, nice early start. Adventure lies ahead. Let's go see what's out there. So this is what happens out here. It just gets incredibly foggy sometimes. This is actually kind of dangerous, so I'm not going to be going very fast. I can see maybe, I don't know, 50 meters up ahead, less. You really don't have much time to react. Plus my visor or my face shield is getting all fogged up. Yeah, let's hope it clears soon. Fog is cleared. Looks like it's going to be a nice warm day. Just got a couple of hours of riding here ahead of me, and then we'll be at my destination. So let's just settle in and enjoy the ride. I'm out of suburbia and out into the hills here. Beautiful road. Winding my way down this valley next to a little river. And I'm steadily climbing. Actually, right this second I'm going downhill, but I generally speaking, I'm climbing. Ooh, tight turns. So this mountain is called Mount Umunhum. It's a Native American name, I believe. And there's an interesting structure at the top of this mountain that I'm heading for. And I can see it right ahead of me up there. It's called the Mount Umunhum Cube. It was a radar station used to look for enemy aircraft during the Cold War, I suppose. Built back in the 1960s, I think 1962, and it was decommissioned in 1980. And it's been sitting there, abandoned, ever since. If you're enjoying this video, please go ahead and hit thumbs up. And while you're down there, hit the subscribe button. Woo! Views are beautiful from up here. I think I was mispronouncing the name of this mountain. I was saying Umunhum, but I think it's Umunhum. Wow, look at that. Don't want to get mauled by a mountain lion while I'm up here. All right, let's go take a look at this thing. So back when this was in use, there was up to maybe more than 100 personnel up here taking care of this thing, and their families, I suppose. There used to be a huge rotating radar dish at the top. That's not there anymore, so all that remains is this cube. And it was so powerful that it used to interfere with the TV and radio signals of people around this area. And there used to be a lot of stuff up here. There was apparently like a bowling alley and shops, I suppose, things like that. Not much remains now, just this and some other sort of communications and radar equipment that seems to be around a couple of these other peaks here. Bizarre looking thing. I think I'm going to end this video here. Thank you for coming along on this excursion down here to the South Bay. Check out Mount Umunhum and the Mount Umunhum Cube. Come check it out if you're in the area, it's really interesting. If you enjoyed the video, please go ahead, hit thumbs up and hit subscribe so you can come along on more of these adventures. And I'll see you next time.